Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at some of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. MTEN Fiberglass Paddle. The Selkirk Sport SLK Halo Raw Carbon Fiber Pickleball Paddle combines cutting-edge materials and design to deliver top-tier performance for players of all levels. Proudly designed in the USA, this paddle is crafted with a variety of advanced features, making it a versatile choice for pickleball enthusiasts looking to enhance their game. The SLK Halo paddle is available in 3 distinct versions, each tailored to different playing styles. The T700 Raw Carbon Fiber Power option is perfect for players who prioritize raw power in their shots. The carbon fiber construction offers exceptional stiffness, allowing for more powerful and controlled hits, particularly beneficial for aggressive players. On the other hand, the 18K Ultra Weave Control version is built with control in mind, offering a softer touch and greater feel for those who prefer a more precise and strategic game. The 18K Ultra Weave construction enhances ball control while maintaining durability. Lastly, the Kevlar Linkweave Thermoformed Pro version integrates Kevlar for a unique blend of strength and control, providing a responsive yet controlled hit ideal for those seeking the best of both worlds. Each paddle is engineered with a raw carbon fiber face, which improves the overall feel and response of the paddle, delivering a dynamic playing experience. The EdgeGuard technology ensures durability, while the ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip for long sessions. Designed for players who value both power and control, the SLK Halo Raw Carbon Fiber paddle is an ideal choice for those looking to take their pickleball game to the next level. Whether you're smashing serves or executing delicate volleys, this paddle offers the perfect balance for any situation. Number 2. Selkerk Latitude. The USAPA-approved fiberglass surface pickleball paddle set offers a high-quality, all-in-one package for both beginner and intermediate players. This set includes paddles specifically designed to meet the standards of the United States of America Pickleball Association, USAPA, ensuring they are tournament-ready for official play. Crafted with fiberglass surfaces, the paddles provide an excellent balance of power and control. The fiberglass construction delivers a solid, responsive feel, making it easier for players to execute powerful shots while still maintaining a high level of control over their game. This design makes the paddles suitable for a variety of playing styles, whether you're looking to dominate at the net or set up strategic shots from the baseline. The set typically includes 2 paddles and pickleballs, making it a great option for doubles play or casual games with friends and family. The paddles are lightweight yet durable, designed to withstand frequent use while remaining comfortable to hold. The ergonomic handles ensure a firm grip, reducing the likelihood of hand strain during extended play sessions. With USAPA approval, this pickleball paddle set meets the standards required for official tournaments, providing peace of mind for players seeking consistency in their gear. It's suitable for both men and women, offering a versatile option for players of all skill levels. Ideal for recreational players or those looking to participate in competitive play, this set provides a perfect balance of affordability, performance, and durability. Whether you're playing casually or entering your first competition, the USAPA-approved fiberglass surface pickleball paddle set is a reliable choice that will enhance your pickleball experience. Number 3. Onyx Z5 Graphite. The Selkirk SLK Latitude Pickleball Bundle is a complete, high-quality set that offers everything needed to elevate your pickleball game. This bundle includes 2 paddles, 3 pickleballs, and 1 convenient carry bag, making it ideal for both beginners and casual players who want to enjoy the sport with reliable equipment. Each paddle in the set is designed with a G4 graphite face, ensuring a lightweight yet durable structure. The graphite face offers an excellent balance of power and control, delivering optimal performance on both hard smashes and soft volleys. This design helps enhance precision and accuracy, making it easier for players to execute their shots effectively. The paddles are equipped with polymer RevCore technology, which optimizes the inner core for better ball control and dampening, reducing vibrations for a more comfortable playing experience. This polymer core also provides quiet play, making it ideal for use in areas with noise restrictions. The combination of the graphite face and polymer RevCore ensures that the paddles deliver a consistent and responsive feel, whether you're playing recreationally or at a slightly higher level. The set also includes 3 pickleballs, which are perfect for indoor or outdoor play. The included carry bag makes it easy to transport and store your gear, keeping everything organized and accessible. The Selkirk Latitude Pickleball Bundle is designed for players seeking a reliable, durable, and comfortable set to enjoy the game. Its combination of graphite paddles, advanced polymer core, and convenient accessories makes it an excellent choice for men and women looking to enhance their pickleball experience without breaking the bank. Whether you're just starting or improving your skills, this bundle has everything you need. Number 4. Paddletech Banttam TS5. The Onyx Graphite Z5 Pickleball Paddle is a high-performance paddle designed for players seeking a balanced combination of power, control, and comfort. Made with advanced graphite and carbon fiber materials, it delivers enhanced durability, lightness, and precision. The paddle's surface features a graphite face, which offers a responsive and consistent hitting experience, ensuring excellent ball control and spin potential. The Z5 is built with a wide body shape that provides a larger sweet spot, making it more forgiving on off-center hits. This design also enhances the overall power without compromising control, ideal for both intermediate and advanced players. The paddle's core consists of a Nomex honeycomb structure, providing optimal ball rebound and vibration reduction, which results in a solid and comfortable feel during play. One of the standout features of the Onyx Graphite Z5 is its cushion comfort grip. This ergonomic grip is designed to reduce hand fatigue while offering a firm, non-slip hold for superior control. The comfort padding absorbs shock, minimizing vibrations that can affect play, particularly during long matches. The grip's design also ensures it fits comfortably in the hand, allowing players to focus on their technique without worrying about discomfort or slipping. Overall, the Onyx Graphite Z5 is an ideal paddle for those who want a combination of power, control, and comfort. Its durable construction, large sweet spot, and advanced grip technology make it a top choice for competitive players seeking performance and comfort. Number 5. Jula Essential Pickleball. The Joola Stratos and Essentials Pickleball paddles are designed to cater to both beginners and intermediate players, offering a blend of durability, performance, and comfort. These paddles feature a reinforced fiberglass surface, which provides a balance of power and control, making them ideal for players who want a responsive hitting surface while maintaining precision during gameplay. The fiberglass face contributes to a larger sweet spot, making it forgiving on off-center hits and enhancing overall playability. Both paddles come with a honeycomb polypropylene core, which ensures excellent ball control, power, and a softer feel during impact. This core also helps to absorb vibrations, providing a more comfortable playing experience, especially during longer sessions. The polypropylene material further enhances the durability of the paddles, ensuring they can withstand intense play without losing performance over time. The USAPA approval ensures that both the Jula Stratos and Essentials paddles meet the official standards for competitive play, making them suitable for tournament use. This certification adds confidence for players looking for a paddle that can perform at a high level while adhering to the sport's regulations. Additionally, the paddles are designed with a comfortable grip that offers a secure and non-slip hold. The ergonomic design reduces hand fatigue, making the paddles user-friendly for extended gameplay, especially for beginners who may be more prone to discomfort. In summary, the Jula Stratos and Essentials pickleball paddles are durable, beginner-friendly options with a reinforced fiberglass surface, honeycomb polypropylene core, and comfortable grip. Their USAPA approval and well-balanced design make them a reliable choice for players looking to enhance their performance and comfort on the court.